our table is threatened by various foodborne pathogens. Accordingly, everyone from producer to consumer is responsible for ensuring the food not to be exposed to pathogens. Therefore, a food safety test is being one of the important processes of manufacturing. Genesystem is proud to introduce its real-time PCR system and food safety testing kits, which provide high efficiency and sensitivity for in-house testing. Genesystem provides fast and intuitive platform for precise in-house testing of foodborne pathogen detection and food authentication. Genesystem is taking big strides to achieve goal and vision of becoming a global leader for point-of-care molecular testing markets and contributing to human societies for a better world.